everyone, my name's Frank, and I'm the user advocate for Artsman, and welcome back to creating a coupon code. We've broken these videos down into the 3 different steps you'll take when building a coupon code. So if you want to focus on a specific section, open the video description below for a timeline of topics. In this quick start video, we'll be focusing on coupon and PreAccess codes. Alright, let's get started. In the previous 2 videos, we've created our $5 discount via promotions and built the sales rule that does our conversion work. In this step, we'll be using the coupon and PreAccess codes to bring everything together. First, let's click on Setup, System Tables, Coupon and PreAccess Codes. This will bring up the coupon and PreAccess codes list, which will be blank. To populate the list, click on the magnifying glass. As we don't have a coupon for our $5 discount created yet, let's click on the New button. This brings up the coupon and PreAccess codes window. Let's name our internal description $5 discount Tuesday and our external description $5 Tuesday discount. Remember, external descriptions are what your patrons will see in the online checkout window, so name it accordingly. Next is where we'll input the public short name into the coupon code field. Our marketing department has come up with Go Tuesday. Like other coupons, our codes don't include any spaces. Remember, when patrons enter the coupon code online, it will be auto-capitalized, so Theater Manager will do the same thing here. Next, let's click on the Active checkbox. To open up the Sales Rule, Performance, Redemptions, and Notes tab, we'll click Save. With that done, let's look at the Availability tab. Although none of the fields in this tab are mandatory, we want to review the coupon usage type and redeemable at sales sources sections. For our example, we need to ensure the Applies Discount When Used is checked in the coupon usage type area. If we intend our coupon to also allow advanced purchasing ahead of an on-sale date, we would want to select the Pre-sale Access via Internet checkbox. For our example, we'll leave it unchecked. Below that, we see the Redeemable at Sales Sources options. Here, we can restrict a coupon to be used only at the box office, or online, or both. Let's leave both checked. Moving over to the Sales Rule tab, we only have a few options to work through. To connect our coupon code with our sales rule, we click on the Sales Rule Lookup button. A search window appears, and after clicking the magnifying glass, we see a full list of all our active sales rules. Or if you know the sales rule name or part of the name, you can search for it in the search bar. Let's highlight our $5 discount and click Select, which will bring us back to the Sales Rule tab. As we are not including a one-time order fee or limiting the maximum uses per coupon, we can move over to the Performances tab. This is where we apply the coupon code to specific performances. In our example, we only want to apply the discount to Tuesday performances of the play that goes wrong. Let's click on the Add button to bring up the Performance List lookup window. I'm going to narrow my search by doing a play title search and typing in the word wrong. This will give me all 35 performances for the run. To select only Tuesdays, use Command-click on a Mac or Control-click on a PC to highlight the desired dates and times. When done, hit the Select button to go back to the Performances tab. Here we see we've got our 6 Tuesday night performances eligible for the coupon code. Let's move over to the Notes tab. Here is where we can input additional explanation or marketing information for the patron. These details appear below the coupon code's name in the online cart. For our example, we're going to say this coupon is valid for all seats. And that's it. We now have all the pieces in place for our coupon code. Recapping from the first and second video, we've created the promotion, built the sales rule, and now designed the coupon code. We hope you enjoyed this quick start video series. From all of us here at Artsman, thanks for watching.